Forehand and backhand drives no longer have the importance and role they once did. However, they remain the irreplaceable basics for the player's development. The drive is a great starting point for a new player to learn the anatomical principles of the game. This tutorial is for left-handers. For right-handers, use the video as your mirror image. For the forehand drive, stand about 1 forearm length from the table. Keep your feet a bit more than shoulders width apart. Place your right leg forward. For a forehand drive, your body forms about 30 to 45 degree angles with the table. The upper part of the body is twisted backwards on the left side. It creates the space required for all forehand strokes, increasing the potential to add power. Your knees are bent, but much less than with topspin strokes. The racket is on the level of contact with the ball. Your forearm creates almost a right angle with the upper arm. Forehand requires movement of the racket forward and upward. During the execution of the forehand, your legs, knees, hips, and the rest of the body are all moving forward. At the beginning of the stroke, weight is mostly on the left leg. At the end, the weight is on both. Learning to shift weight from one leg to another is one of the most important benefits of learning forehand drive. Contact with the ball is made just before the top of the trajectory. Hit the ball almost at the center of the racket. Usually, the racket is held at a slight angle because there is always some topspin rotation on the ball, even when drive-to-drive strokes are played. The point of contact with the racket is the same as for forehand and backhand topspins. All of the force goes into the ball's speed, not into rotation. The goal is a still ball without rotation. The forehand drive should end 20 to 30 centimeters in front of the player's face. The action is from the side to the body. The complete cycle of stroke, follow-through, and preparation causes the racket to move in an elliptical pattern. It improves the playing rhythm. Drives are where you will learn how to control the ball's trajectory, how to position yourself for each stroke, and will give you your first feeling of the rhythms essential to good practice. For more information, check out our website. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Spins and Skills. Upgrade your game.